guys, we had to come in off the boat because it's about to rain. So we're going to start with that. We're going to do beginning sounds again. I'm going to say the word one time, and then I'll stretch it out. So what about rain? What do you think rain starts with? What if I say rain? Rain. It's an R. Rain. What about apple? Apple. What does apple start with? What if I said apple? It's an A. Apple, a short A. Now this is a bait that my husband likes to use to get fish. Bait. What do you think bait starts with? What if I say bait? B like ball. What about if I told you that this was a bait made by Zoom? What do you think Zoom starts with? Zoom. Zoom. It's a Z. Zoom. That's the bait. Now, I am on a deck. What do you think deck starts with? What if I said deck? D. Now, another D word is duck. And there are a lot of ducks on this property, or on the lake. And you know what? They say quack. What does quack start with? What if I said quack? It's a Q. Queen, quack. It's a Q. And my husband, when he goes fishing, especially with this kind of bait, he has to tie up his rods. What do you think tie starts with? Tie. It's a T. Did you hear that? Thunder. Thunder. What do you think thunder starts with? It's 2 letters. Thunder. Thunder. T-H says thunder. If you got that, wow, good job. Now, to start a boat, which is what I was on the deck of a boat, and now I'm on the deck of a house. To start a boat, you need the ignition. You need to put a key in the ignition. Do you know what ignition starts with? What if I said ignition? It's an I. Very good. Now, where do the fish swim? They swim underwater. What does under start with? Under. It's a U. A U. Good job. I'm sitting on a chair. Do you know the 2 letters that chair starts with? Chair is a C-H, and it's raining. Raining. It's just starting. And let's say I am tired and I'm going to yawn. What do you think yawn starts with? Yawn. Yo-yo. Yellow. Y. It is a Y. And right now I'm in a valley. A valley. What does valley start with? Valley. It's a V. Vase. And let's say I am going to go back on the water when we're done with this rain. On. What does on start with? On. Octopus. It's an O. On. Very good. My name is Kira. You know me as Mrs. Heatwell, but Kira. Do you know what Kira starts with? Do you know what my first name starts with? Kira. It's not a C. It's a K. And I only know that because that's how I spell it. But it does kind of sound like a C, too. And I am upset that there is so much rain, so I'm going to shout. What do you think shout starts with? Shout. It's 2 letters. Shout is S-H. Shout. Shout. All right, guys, I'm going to go inside before it rains too hard. I'll get wet. Wet. Starts with W. Wet.